Sure.
Hello, Swati. How are you?
Hello, Kavita. I am doing great. And how have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing great too. And where are you from?
Okay, I am from Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
And what about you? Where are you from? Please give me your intro so that I know a bit about yourself. I would like to know about
Yeah,
yourself.
I'm really happy to introduce myself. This is Kavita from Maldives right now, but my native place is Tamil Nadu, and I'm working here as a ICT teacher. It's been
Okay.
1 year here, and my family is living in Tamil Nadu. My husband is in Singapore, and
Mm,
these are all
that's
about myself. Do you want more?
Yeah, that's it's a
This is the
lovely
basic
introduction that you
introduction.
give.
Yeah, yeah. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Swati, and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I am a homemaker, mother to one kid. I love reading, listening to music,
Mm.
and I also likes to play badminton. And apart from this, I also started my journey with YouTube, where I converse with people from different part of my country, and I really love to talk to them. And I am also enjoying while having these type of the conversation. So that's
That's
a bit about me.
yeah, that's really cool about you, and you are doing a great job, and your fluency is good. I
Oh,
have
thank you
seen
so
some
much
of
for
your videos,
appreciating.
and you have a very cute smile in all your videos.
Oh, thank you so much. This type
Yeah.
of lovely word that you appreciate, and it really motivate me.
Yeah, and you are so calm and quiet nature, I guess, right? You have the calm and quiet nature.
Yeah, you can say that. I am a introvert person also, and so I would like to say that yes, I am a kind of calm person. Don't
Mm,
try to be shout or and I'm not a person who easily angry. I
mm-mm.
try to keep myself calm and cool.
Okay. So, are you a homemaker or you are working out?
If I'm trying to be cool, that time also.
Okay.
So
So,
this type of nature I,
mm,
I have.
okay. So, are you working? Are you working or housewife? You're homemaker.
No, I am not. I am homemaker.
Mm-mm. You are a well proud homemaker, right?
Right.
So,
Yeah.
comparing to the working outside, the homemaker job is the toughest job.
Right.
Mm,
Because as a homemaker, you have to do so much work. You're always busy. You
mm,
have to
mm.
keep yourself
And
presence
after
at
doing
every
all the
moment.
chores, we will get the words like, what you are doing, you are simply being in home, right?
Right. These
Mm,
no one, try to give so much attention towards the homemaker. They
mm,
just think that they are doing nothing. They are just, resting
mm,
in home and they don't have any work. So
mm.
people, assume that the homemaker they take homemaker as for granted also.
Yeah. So tell me something about your place, Jammu and Kashmir. How the place is, how the weather is.
Yeah, I am from like Jammu and Kashmir, but right now I'm in Jammu, and it's weather-wise or climate-wise, it's so different from Kashmir.
Hmm.
Maybe you think that maybe it's the
Cool.
area, maybe
Cold
yeah,
place.
maybe cool. It's not like that.
Hmm.
My area is touched to Punjab, and its weather-wise, climate-wise, is totally like Punjab.
Mm-mm.
We face severe summer season and also severe like winter season also. And right now, today it was raining in the morning, but right now it's a cloudy and it's really today is a pleasant day.
Mm.
And where I live, it's really a beautiful place. Everything is good, and fresh air, fresh water. And
Mm,
I really love my place because there is no sign of pollution also. If
mm,
you are in big city, then you face so many difficulty, like so many challenges. But
mm,
in my place, if I compare, I really love my place, and it's really very beautiful place also.
mm.
Yeah,
Okay, so you love your place where you are living.
yeah, I love.
That's too great.
Right, right.
Yeah. So for
Okay,
me,
tell me about.
I
Yeah.
love Tamil Nadu and the culture and the tradition, everything I love. But here it's completely different because it's completely Islamic country, and we cannot follow the religious rules here, as they are having their own rule. And yeah, it's quite good. Actually, I'm not the kind of person who follows the rule so proudly, like our Indian culture or whatever it is. We have our culture in our country, but whenever we are moving to
Right,
some other country, we have to follow their rule, right? So I
right.
adopt with the situation and the place wherever I am staying. So I too love the place where I'm staying now, and it's completely bluish, like the sea and the sky with the white clouds and the water. Have you ever seen any pictures or have you ever been to Maldives?
No, I never been in Maldives, but I saw some video in YouTube where
Mm-mm.
the very it's very scenic place, and so many people go there for
Yeah,
uh,
it's a
spend their
honeymoon
quality time
destination.
also.
It's a honeymoon
Yeah,
destination. Yeah, and the
right,
place,
right.
yeah, the resorts, everything looks so beautiful. um
Mhm.
it's really pleasant over here. So
Yeah,
wherever
you
we
are.
go, you can see the sea, the water. It's very near to us. It's very, very close to us. If I'm walking like 20 steps, then I can reach the beach now.
Yeah, you are so lucky that you have a
Yeah.
kind of view that you can enjoy every moment of your life right now.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to, like to have to go to beach, you can easily go and
Yeah.
enjoy
So
your
whenever I
quality
have
time there.
free time, I just go to the beach and simply I look the beach, and I'll make some calls to my husband, my children, my friends. Then they will say you are very I mean, you are
Lucky.
enjoying the nature and you are very close to the beach. So when we want to go in our
Right.
place, we have to spend at least 1.5 hours to reach the Marina Beach in Chennai. But here it's simply
Okay.
20, like 5 minutes walk from here. Yeah.
Yeah, you can enjoy.
Uh,
Whenever you want to go to beach, you can go and enjoy. It's
yeah.
really very nice to hear from your side that you are enjoying
Yeah.
the beach
And
side. Yeah.
tell me something about your tradition. How do you follow the tradition?
Like tradition, I belong to Hindu community,
Mhm.
and I'm not getting the point, like tradition
Like, what
in
do you
which
follow? Like,
aspect.
yeah, during the festival celebration, how do you follow?
Okay, right in my area, we always like celebrate Deepavali,
Mm,
Lohri, or Holi.
mm,
So these are the common, festival that
mm,
whole India enjoying. We also enjoying while, get together with the family and
mm.
distribute sweets also, and also enjoying our time with family, and we also make some delicious food that time whenever we have any festival, then we enjoy that time.
Okay. So what's the famous sweet in your place? Famous sweet.
In my
Ah.
okay in I belong to Samba district, and here there is a sweet of jalebi. You maybe heard about jalebi.
We like jalebi.
This is the famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So
this is the famous.
do you make the jalebi in your home?
No, we always, order from outside, or
Mm-mm.
we go to market and purchased from the market only. I
Mm-mm.
never tried in my home.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
We also celebrate the Diwali and Pongal. We celebrate as we are from the South India, Tamil Nadu. We
Yeah.
have the culture of celebrating Pongal, and it's like 3 days celebration. We have not 3 days. It's from the before day, like the beginning. I mean the before Pongal day. We say Bohi and Pongal, and the next day is like. We say Matu Pongal, which means the celebration for cow and animals, domestic animals.
Okay.
And the next day is for Kanum Pongal, which means for the girls, the young girls. We celebrate with the
Okay.
Pongal. We make the Pongal. You know the recipe Pongal? Do you know?
I heard about this festival, but I didn't know. I don't know what kind of, like food you make that time,
It's
or it's a 3 day celebration. I just
uh,
thought that it's a kind of celebration that you enjoying while having new harvesting season.
yeah,
So I
exactly.
know a little bit about. Yeah,
Exactly, it's the harvesting season, and we are just doing the celebration for praying the God, and it's the thing that we are thanking. We are grateful for the nature and
yeah,
sun and at the animals, the harvesting people. So we make pongal with the harvested rice, the raw rice, and then jaggery. Um, then we add some ghee, cashew nuts, and cardamom. So we make the pongal and we enjoy it with family. And that's the most
that's nice.
important celebration in our culture. And the other thing is, Vinayaka Chaturthi, the Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we not celebrate, but like a little bit we enjoy. But I
Mm-mm.
think in South India, like in Maharashtra, are
Mm.
they celebrate the most this festival.
Um, and we wear sari for all the festivals and celebrations, even if it is a wedding or reception or whatever it is, we wear the sari, the silk sari, the silk sari,
Okay, yeah,
proper
I
silk
know.
sari.
I
Yeah.
really love your
Ah.
tradition also, your side, a silk sari, like
Mm.
ladies wear in South Indian, like ladies, and I really love their tradition, their culture also, and how they wear the sari. It's
Mm.
looks like so nice.
Mm.
So
Yeah, so I'm from the
yeah.
background of Tamil culture, so we follow that. And our famous sweet is like we have a lot of sweets in our place, like alva. Alva is one of the favorite. Tirunelveli alva is one of the famous dish. And uh, we make murukku, which is made of rice. I guess during Diwali we make murukku, adirasam, and coconut barfi, and soji, rava laddu, and something like that. We make Mysore pak is our traditional dish, and we have a lot of sweets. We prepare the vada, the urid dal vada, and dal vada, and also bhaji with banana, onion. So this is how we prepare the fruit. I mean the sweets and everything, and we celebrate with the crackers, lights, and new dresses. We purchase new dress. So when the celebrations are coming, it's completely we have to spend the salary for the celebrations. Okay.
Okay, that's nice. I
Yeah.
know the South Indian culture or tradition is so, a kind of what we say ancient or very old, and when every festival they enjoying, they also, make different food in their home, and yeah, I think you a kind of person that, with your fully heart, you enjoying the festival, and I don't know the type of, like sweets or dishes you make in your home, but I really love when I saw some, video in YouTube, and I really enjoying while watching those video
Yeah.
where South Indian people enjoying their festival.
Yeah.
Mm.
And we
So,
celebrate birthdays also. Like, how do you celebrate
mm,
your birthday?
like my birthday, I celebrate not, a big, I just order the cake, and me, my husband, and my son, and my mother-in-law, we enjoying, just cut the cake, and it's
Hmm.
not like a big party, just we enjoying at our home.
Same, same.
Yeah.
Same, but for the children birthday, we celebrated like the first birthday we celebrate grand, like in a grand manner. But for our birthdays, it's like a surprise birthday. Moreover, like for my husband, I surprise, and for me,
Mm.
sometimes my brother, my husband, they surprise me. So it's normal birthdays. It is not the party birthdays. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So what are all
And
your
yeah,
hobbies?
the same. Okay, my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching movie, playing badminton,
Mm-mm.
and recently the habit of conversing with people.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I really love
Yeah. And what are the books you read? Like usually, is it fiction or non-fiction?
non-fiction. I recently started of reading, and I recently, inculcate this habit of reading when I started my journey with YouTube. And
Mm-mm.
mostly I read self-help book like The Power of Subconscious Mind, Think and Grow Richer, The Power of Self-Discipline. So these
Mm-mm.
types of books I am reading right now. So it
Mm.
really, also, motivate me also. And I also love to, know about how our mind work, how psychology work.
Mm.
So it really, motivate me when I read these type of the books.
Okay. For coming to
Yeah.
my hobby, I usually spend my time for painting, drawing, and writing some poems, and sometimes very short stories. And whatever comes to my mind, I just record it, and then I post it in YouTube. I have another channel for like in my own like my language, like Tamil language. I have an YouTube channel. So in that I post it. Mm, so that is
Okay.
one of my hobby. I have started
So,
that YouTube channel like more than 6 years ago, but
okay.
I'm not like I'm not making money in that. I don't want to, like, I'm not a person to make money in that platform. I just want to share my feelings in YouTube. If people
Right.
likes, then let them watch that video.
Okay.
And recently I
Yeah.
have started a video, I mean YouTube channel in the name of Artistic Fantasy English, and there I'm trying to post the videos. So you are the second person I'm just having a chat with you, a video chat.
Okay.
I
But
have
you are
before.
so, yeah, I think you are doing so great. Like you have this, second conversation, but you are speaking very well. And I really love I really love to see that you are able to, connect like emotionally also. And when I started my YouTube channel, and I have a video face to face conversation, and I was very nervous. And but you are not like that. You are so comfortable. You are
No,
so
it's
cool
not
and
like
calm.
that. I was like you, like when you, I mean, you are saying you are not seems to be like that, but the thing is, um, when I started my journey, when I started to speak English, I also felt the same, the nervous, the fear, and the panic, everything I had before. But once I started my mind to set, like, I have to speak whatever it is, whether it is wrong or right, I should speak. Whether the people is judging me or not. I'm not going to bother about that. Then I
Right.
started to speak English. Then I spend the day and night for learning, and I try to improve myself day by day. And I record. I'm not the person who is recording, like I mean, who is talking to the mirror. I can speak when
Mhm.
the person is in front of me. So I usually record myself, like my audio, and then I hear it. Then I find the mistakes if I'm doing anything wrong, if my pronunciation, if my accent is wrong. Then I would just, I mean, repeatedly I would record and then I correct myself. And also I had some trainers for, I mean, for learning purpose, and then I improved with them. They like they point out my mistake and then I corrected it. Now also I'm improving and learning. I'm the teacher, so once a teacher always a learner. So I'm learning, learning,
Right.
learning. There is no
Yeah.
end for
We are
learning.
all learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
We are learning, improving with these type of conversation, and whatever we upload, or day by day we are improving because of. I would like to say that because of this YouTube channel, and because of some pressure in our mind that we have to upload
Hmm.
other videos, so that we have to make more conversation video, and day by day we are
Um,
improving.
yeah, we have
But
the.
your speaking style is so good, so calm, and I really love to see you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you. We have the intention of creating videos, but when people are seeing that, when they are finding any mistakes in our speech, then they will just go with the negative comments. So we are ready to face that, and
right.
maybe because of that we are improving. We are trying to make ourselves like so
Yeah,
better, right?
yeah. We can learn from our mistake because this is our initial stage, and we have, we have to make a lot of mistake, because at initial stage, if we try to be professional every time, we try to sound perfect, then how we
Mm,
can assume that we will improve?
mm,
Just
mm,
do a lot of mistake, and learn from your mistake,
mm.
and over a period of time we will be good at this language. So my thinking is like that.
Mm-mm. Yeah. And
Yeah.
what's your native language? Is that Hindi?
My native language, Dogri.
Okay. So what about Hindi? Do
Yeah.
you know Hindi?
Yeah, I know Hindi. It's a little bit like Punjabi, mix of Hindi, Punjabi,
Mm-mm.
Himachali.
Mm.
So if you can understand Hindi or Punjabi, you can also understand Dogri language.
Mm. No, I
Yeah.
I know very little Hindi. It's very long
Okay.
back I learned. So I
Mm.
started improving the language English. Then I thought, okay, first we will learn the language better, and then we can move to the other language. So when we are just doing the language at the same time, then I may get confused. I just want to focus in English language, no other go. So now I have the circumstances, like I'm working in an international school, and here moreover the teachers are from outside country, like they are foreigners, they are native speakers, so they don't understand my language. So anyway I have to speak in English. Whatever I have in my mind I have to convey them, and if they ask anything
Yeah.
then I have to convey the answer to them. So there is no other go. And also the students from pre-K to all the grades, they speak very fluent English, and they are also from other countries. So it's the chance
Okay.
I got, and I was longing for this opportunity. Like I want to stay in another country and I have to improve my English, my accent. Because when I was learning in the beginning, one trainer, she told me I have the MTI. It is not my mistake. I was in the situation, I was in the circumstances. I don't have any option to talk in English, right? Even though we are studying in English medium school, in college, and wherever we go, even I was working as
Mm.
a teacher, I can't speak English much more. As we have the
Mm.
colleagues in our place, those who speak our native language, right? We are very
Right, right.
comfortable in our native language, so nobody is ready to talk in English. So that's our problem that we faced. So what I uh, took the decision, so I just want to move from the place so that I can create the circumstances. So I did it.
Yeah, yeah. It's really nice that in this way you can practice your, speaking English while talking to the real people in front of you, face to face, and yeah, you are improving and you are doing really great. You are working as a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And like you have to go to school and you have to teach to the children, or you are just teaching online?
No, it's an international school. I have to go and
Okay.
in physical, and I have to take classes for them. In India, I was working as a homeroom teacher, but here it's not like the class teacher. I'm just doing the role of ICT teacher, and then some group classes I have, those who are taking Arabic, Islam, and Divehi. So other languages, the foreign teachers would, I mean, the foreign students would come to me, and I would just
Mm.
engage them with some task, the Scratch Junior or the Scratch coding. So I will
Okay.
allocate some work for them, and then I would just spend the time with them. So this is how my work goes here.
That's great. You're doing really great. Yeah. And I would like to ask you questions that is there any, funny moment when you start recording your video to upload? Is there any, funny moment happened?
Yeah, I had so many bloopers. Like when I was doing the classes, like taking classes from others. So the trainers would ask
Mm.
us to record the video, right? So I started recording, and then I found
Mm.
myself so funny. So I would just record so many times, more than 15, 20 times. And then finally, if
Right.
it is coming good, then I would just send them. Otherwise, I would delete all the videos. So it was a fun moment I had. Even now, if I'm recording without talking to others, I would just get stuck
Mm.
somewhere. If I'm not facing any
Right.
person, it's a trouble for me. So
Mm.
I can't talk.
Mm. Yeah. Same happened like when I started like, recording and try to upload. Once I was very, I was recording that time to myself. I have to upload like solo video. Then
Mm-mm.
I forgot about the recording button, and I just, finish my whole script, and then I realized that it's not record, it's not recorded. I have to record again. So this type of, issue I faced
Yeah. Even though
at
if we are
initial.
recording, we have to do a lot of edits. We have to do uh,
Right.
cut somewhere and
Yeah.
edit somewhere and join somewhere. So it's a very big task that if we do any kind of recording.
Right. Right.
Okay.
That's nice.
So
And
I have a question. Do you have anything?
yeah, I would like to ask you that if you have to describe yourself in single word, what would you like to say in single word?
Unique.
Okay, unique. That's
Uh,
nice.
so if you are asking
Okay.
the word which starts with my, which means my beginning letter of my name, I would say kind. Kavita, kind.
Okay, Kavita kind. Yeah, that's
Uh,
nice.
yeah. Can you tell me
Okay.
the word which starts with your name letter, the first letter of your name? Yes.
Okay, Swat. I have to say any name or maybe
Any
like
word which
okay.
describes you with the letter S.
Okay, Swati, sovereignty.
That's great. Okay, so we have 10 minutes, last 10 minutes. Okay, so do
Okay.
you have any other question?
Yeah, I have to, write some questions like right now I have, like one word question I have right. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Uh, a comment that made you emotional.
Sorry, I'm not getting the question properly.
Uh, a comment that made you emotional, like
Comment. Hmm.
comment. Is
It's
there any
very
comment?
common. It's not like a comment. It's like
Okay.
it's like an action which made me emotional. When a child, when I
Mm,
was taking class, she came. She's very
mm,
young. Okay, like she was studying KG2. Yeah, KG2.
mm.
She was so little. She came to me and she kissed me. Then I felt,
Oh,
as a
okay.
teacher, I felt so emotional. Like I felt so proud to
Mm,
be a teacher at that moment.
right. It's really a kind of, emotional moment for you. Yeah. That's very nice.
Mm.
And one more question, like, what do you deal with the day? How do you deal with the day when you feel demotivated to create content? And
That's a very
what
good
kind of,
question.
yeah,
Yeah.
what do
Um,
you do that time?
yeah, we get demotivated all the time. I'm sure about that. Every time we can get,
Mm,
we are not saying that, I mean, we can't say that the people who are from outside, the public is demotivating us. It is not only the public, even from our family, even from our very close family, our siblings, our husband, our well wishers, friends, everybody would demotivate in any situation. I would just
mm.
get motivated at that time, and I would work so hard.
Okay, that's nice. Next. Is there any question that you want to ask?
Yeah, how do you feel when you are talking to me today? Because we started yesterday already, but yesterday it was like so, I was not so enthusiastic. I felt that yesterday,
Okay.
but today it was not like that. I started in a very good mood, and it's going with the smiling face. So, how do you feel?
Yeah, I am also feeling the same. The feeling is like mutual. And today I am also, like feeling enthusiastic while talking to you,
Uh,
feeling, excited also.
yeah.
So it's a kind of feeling that I know you from past time, maybe.
It's
I'm
like
not
a known
feeling that I
person.
am,
Yeah, you are like a
yeah, it's
known
like,
person. It's love. It's like a friendly talk,
yeah,
right?
right.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not like that we are meeting for the very first time. It's like we have
exactly,
met, so many times.
exactly.
So
Okay,
this
maybe
is
next
my
time we
feeling that,
could connect again, and then we could get talk about some topics. We would just discuss some topics together, maybe after some
right.
time. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for inviting me, and it was really a great conversation with you, and I really enjoyed.
I too
Uh,
really
yeah.
enjoyed the conversation with you.
So yeah. So
And
please send me the recording also.
definitely, definitely, I will send you, and we can post it in YouTube, and people get motivated. After seeing such videos, I just approached a few persons to talk, and then I realized, why don't we make the same conversational video in our channel? And then I started uploading now. So maybe other people also would get motivated, and they also can do after seeing
Right.
us.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a very
We are
good
showing
time I had with you
our,
now.
real